Welcome to Chapter 9, Learning is Mobile. Mobile learning goes beyond simple convenience and empowers learners by adapting to their environments and creating highly personalized interactive experiences. From smartphones to wearable devices and even immersive virtual environments, mobile learning meets people where they are, both literally and figuratively. At its essence, mobile learning uses mobile technology to deliver educational content anytime, anywhere. Mobile learning isn't confined to traditional devices like smartphones or tablets. It incorporates cutting-edge technologies, including wearables like Metavision, smartwatches, and even virtual reality headsets. Consider students participating in augmented multimedia experiences. Imagine exploring ancient ruins through virtual tours or examining the human heart in 3D using augmented reality. These examples demonstrate that mobile learning isn't merely about accessibility. It's about creating a flexible, tailored approach to education. The behaviorist approach to mobile learning is centered on repetition, reinforcement, and measurable outcomes. Some of the key strategies include skill and practice review, like interactive flashcards or quick quizzes, assessment with immediate feedback, like language learning apps like Duolingo, learning in bursts, which are short, focused sessions that approach aligns with how learners naturally engage with mobile devices, and mental calisthenics, exercise like puzzles, problem-solving activities that strengthen critical thinking and cognitive retention. The behaviorist approach capitalizes on consistent practice to ensure learners achieve mastery over time. The cognitivist approach emphasizes how learners understand, process, and apply information. It's particularly suited for those looking to make connections between their learning and the real world. Performance support, like a worker in the field needing guidance who can quickly access task-specific instructions or resources on their mobile device. Access to news and information. Augmented reality, such as a biology student using AR and app to examine the human anatomy layer by layer, creating a deeply immersive experience. And situated learning, where mobile technology allows learners to engage in tasks within real-world contexts. This approach equips learners to process, analyze, and apply knowledge effectively in diverse scenarios. The constructivist approach emphasizes active learning, collaboration, and creativity. It's about learners constructing their own understanding through participation and interaction. Strategies such as content creation and capture and participation, where students can create a presentation, record videos, or design infographics. Motivation through gamification, collaborative learning, and asynchronous collaboration through tools like Google Drive or Slack allow learners to contribute at their own pace, eliminating the constraints of time zones and schedules. By placing learners at the center of their educational journey, the constructivist approach fosters deeper engagement and creativity. Mobile learning becomes a catalyst for personal growth and societal impact through the social and transformative learning approach. Here, education connects with the broader world to foster awareness and empathy. These strategies include promoting awareness through mobile tools that facilitate campaigns for social causes, embodied learning, which engages the body through movement and can deepen the learning experience, and situated learning, such as history students that explore a city's landmarks, gaining cultural insights as they learn on location. This approach reminds us that learning isn't just a personal journey, it's a pathway to building a more informed and equitable society. Performance support is one of the most practical applications of mobile learning. Imagine being on the job and needing to quickly refresh your knowledge of a process. Mobile learning provides immediate access to resources like instructional videos, digital guides, or audio demonstrations. Professionals in technical fields can use augmented reality apps to overlay repair instructions on machinery, and by ensuring the help is always within reach, mobile learning fosters confidence and competence in any setting. Motivating learners is a central goal of mobile learning. This is achieved by making education interactive and engaging. Activities such as creating video presentations, collaborating on multimedia projects, or using gamified assessments inspire learners to take ownership of their progress. Collaboration lies at the heart of mobile learning, breaking down geographical and temporal barriers to connect learners in innovative ways. Mobile tools such as shared digital whiteboards, collaborative apps, and real-time messaging platforms allow participants to brainstorm, share ideas, and work together seamlessly. For example, teams working on a group project can use apps like Microsoft Teams or Google Docs to collaborate on documents, assign tasks, and discuss progress in real time or asynchronously. Situated learning, on the other hand, leverages real-world context to deepen understanding. Picture a medical student using a mobile app to access diagnostic tools while working in a clinic. By blending authentic real-world scenarios with collaborative technologies, mobile learning ensures that education is not only relevant, but also impactful. Mobile learning takes a leap forward with augmented reality and embodied learning. AR blurs the line between the digital and physical worlds by overlaying virtual elements onto real-world environments. For example, science students can use AR to examine molecular structure in 3D or study celestial bodies through apps like Skyview. Embodied learning introduces a hands-on physical element to education, making abstract concepts more tangible. Example would be a fitness app that integrates movements into learning, such as teaching geometry through dance movement or exploring kinetic energy during a workout. These approaches make learning immersive, memorable, and multisensory, engaging both the mind and body to deepen comprehension. Mobile learning is a powerful tool for fostering awareness and inspiring action on societal issues. By integrating educational campaigns with interactive mobile tools, learners can engage with important topics in impactful ways. Interactive games like Folded allow users to contribute to scientific research by solving protein folding puzzles. By combining education with actionable tools, mobile learning transforms learners into informed citizens who can contribute meaningfully to societal progress, driving change at both local and global levels. Effective mobile learning designs begin with a focus on real-world relevance. Educational content must align with learners' needs, whether it's an employee learning workplace safety protocols or a student exploring mathematical concepts. Flexibility is equally important. Mobile learning thrives on its ability to provide education anytime, anywhere. Personalization further enhances the experience by tailoring content to the learner's pace, preferences, and goals. Apps like Khan Academy allow users to track progress and revisit challenging topics. Features like intuitive navigation, responsive design, and accessibility tools such as text-to-speech or closed captioning make learning inclusive and user-friendly. Inclusivity is a cornerstone of mobile learning, breaking down barriers to make education accessible for everyone. Universal design for learning plays a critical role here, ensuring that learning materials are flexible and adaptable to diverse needs. Consider a visually impaired student using screen readers to access course content or an app that adjusts font sizes for those with reading difficulties. Platforms like Quizlet offer multimodal learning options, including audio flashcards for auditory learners or visual diagrams for spatial learners. Mobile learning also transcends socioeconomic barriers by providing access to free or low-cost resources. In rural areas of developing countries, learners can use low-bandwidth apps to access quality education. This accessibility empowers individuals of all abilities, backgrounds, and circumstances to engage in lifelong learning and to reach their full potential. Designing effective mobile learning interfaces requires an understanding of how users interact with technology. Microlearning, delivering content in short, digestible bursts, caters to the modern learner's need for quick, efficient access to information. Animation and transition also plays a key role. For instance, navigation cues like subtle slide animations or progress indicators help learners stay oriented as they move through a course. Interfaces should also be tailored to the user's context. By prioritizing usability, clarity, and context-sensitive designs, mobile learning interfaces create intuitive, enjoyable experiences that meet the needs of diverse learners. Mobile learning thrives on interactivity and social engagement. Take Pokemon Go, for example, a game that seamlessly interacts physical movement, GPS tracking, and social interaction into a learning experience. Even in classroom settings, mobile devices enhance collaboration. Teachers might use polling apps like Mentimeter to gauge student understanding or group messaging platforms for peer-to-peer discussion. By leveraging the unique features of mobile devices such as touchscreens, augmented reality, and location tracking, educational experiences become more dynamic, engaging, and participatory, reinforcing the social nature of learning. In conclusion, mobile learning represents a paradigm shift in education, blending innovation, accessibility, and inclusivity. By adapting to the needs of a fast-changing world, mobile learning empowers individuals to learn in ways that are flexible, meaningful, and relevant.